Hi friends, let me show you this new picnic table, foldable picnic table that I received for reviewing purposes. You get the table in the box, extra wheels, and the instructions, okay? It's really easy to put together. Okay. You can open it to have more space, more room to play or to. It has this way of hanging it. And you can put the wheels so you can bring it with you. Let me show you. You can bring it with you wherever you are going to have your picnic. Okay. You could use this to get everything that you are going to use. Okay. And when you arrive where you are going to have your party, you can use the legs. And this way, you are ready to have your picnic. And when you're ready to go, you just pick everything up. You put the legs in here so they won't move. Okay. You see, they both have a place to be. Okay. And you put the wheels again and you are ready to go. Let's go. Perfect. Let's go.